Hey there friends, today I'm going to blow your mind with a recorded demonstration of how you can instantly update chatbot responses using a simple Google Sheet. No coding, no hassle, just seamless real-time updates. If you've ever struggled with keeping your chatbot content fresh, this is the solution you've been waiting for. So stick around, I promise you'll want to try this for yourself. Okay, so here I am now on my phone. Let me just open up Chatrace. And so I've got some history here, but I can ask it. Let me just go in here. That's crazy. Chatbot, do you have a list of, let's just, AI chatbot builders. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so it's coming up and it's giving me Ada, Quick Chat, Custom GPT, Replica, ChatGPT for Google. Now I'm going to ask it, is chatbots.com listed? I know it's not, but I just want to show you that the chatbot is not going to know that. So no, chatbots.com is not listed. So what I'll do now is I'm going to go over to the Google Sheet. And I'll scroll down to the bottom. I've got like 200 and something AI tools here. And I am going to put in Chatbots. And then an AI white label of Chatrace supported by Hilton. Okay, so now I've updated the Google Sheet. Now I can actually have a script in here that once the Google Sheet is updated, it'll automatically update in the RAG system, but I don't have that set up. So now I'm going to go to here, I'm going to another tab. Let's go to NewOaks. So I'm in NewOaks now, and I'm going to go to the Google Sheet. So I need to go to my sources. Okay, Google Sheets. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to, just in case I need to copy that URL, and I'm going to fill URL, I'm going to retrain. Are you sure you want to retrain? Yep. Okay, so good job. I copied that list. Okay. All right, it looks like it's still there. Retrain. So the chatbot is being retrained as we speak, as we watch this. 95%, 96%. And there are other options. You can have it automatically synchronize, and you can also go into the settings here and you can schedule it to like every 7 hours or once a day, something like that. So training doesn't take too long, considering it's got 200 entries that it needs to chunk and vectorize. So like what is happening is we're not actually referencing the Google Sheet. We're using the Google Sheet to deliver the content to the RAG system. And now we are going to go back to, let's go, no, it's not what I wanted to go here. Let's go to this tab. Let's go back to Chatrace. Okay, and now we're going to ask the same question. Let's try and copy this. Copy it. And I'm going to go here. And we're going to go paste this. So this is the moment of truth. The chatbot has just been retrained. Is chatterbots.com now listed? Yes, chatterbots.com is listed in my database. It is an AI chatbot builder described as a white label solution supported by Hilton. You can explore it there. It's got the link. Let me know if you'd like further assistance. So yeah, that is what I wanted to demonstrate to you. On my previous video, I showed you how to do this, and now I'm showing you why you would want to do this. And this is just been showing you that it actually works. Cool, thanks for watching. And I'll close this off in a video to you now. All right, let's quickly recap what we just did. First, I showed you how the chatbot in Chatrace responds to queries using its current data. We couldn't find chatterbots listed. Then we jumped into Google Sheets in NewOaks AI, and we added a new entry to the data source. And then we jumped back into the data source where the settings are for the Google Sheet, and we retrained it. Then finally we went back to Chatrace, and just like that, the new data was live and ready to use in the chatbot. This is the power of NewOaks AI. It's about making chatbot management flexible, efficient, and dynamic. No more manually reconfiguring or dealing with outdated information. It's all automated and seamless. There's a couple of ways there that I mentioned that you can do the update. It can be dynamic with the script as soon as you update the Google Sheet, or you can schedule it. So if you're ready to supercharge your chatbot with tools like NewOaks AI, head over to newoaksai.com and get started today. Trust me, this is the future of AI-powered business automation. Don't wait, join us and transform the way you engage your audience. Use tools like RAG. It is powerful, it is reliable. Thanks for watching. See ya.